Namaskar, खुश रहो बेटियों. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Session name practical exercise on ethnic design sheet. Subject name surface ornamentation. Semester name B design per semester. What is ethnic design? Ethnic design is combination of traditional and the modern design is ethnic. Whenever you develop the ethnic design, first the selection of motif is very important because the very specific motifs are ethnic design. Develop the motif in required size. After the selection of motif, ethnic motif, develop the motif in required size through the pencil, tracing paper and tracing table. You can develop the motif on tracing paper in required size, then use the traced required size for the repetition of arrangement of motifs. After development of required size, select the arrangement of motif design and pattern of motif placement according to previous topic of arrangement of motif and pattern of motif placement. After selection of motif placement and tracing of required size of motif, trace motif repeat according to the selected arrangement of motif, placement of motif and develop the sheet of motif design. Step 2. After placement of motif design according to selected motif and arrangement, select the color which is most reflecting in the sheet. Ethnics are contemporary. They are the mixture of traditional and the modern. So you need to choose some specific colors which is applicable in modern and traditional. Example, crimson red. Example, henna green color. Example, navy blue. These are applicable in modern and fashion and also in tradition. Select the color according to motif design and placement of pattern. After selection of color, apply the selected color or placement of motif sheet in solid and shading form. No delimitation for the color, but must be select the right color which is reflecting in your sheet and represent the ethnic design. Use the different medium of color, poster, water. Use watercolor, poster color and pencil color. Step 3. Finish the outline of each motif and placement with the use of white, black, golden, silver, combinated color and the same color which is applicable for outline. Instructions. Instruction 1. Development of motif is a specific size is required. Same size and same required size is used in placement of motif. Second, instruction second, use sharp and proper pencil for development of sheet because the clarity of drawing is more important for the coloring and the coloring is also very important. Color properly in each placement of motif. After that, when you are developing the proper drawing and their repetition and properly color each motif repetition and complete arrangement, clarity of design is already developed. Clarity of design is required in developed sheet in terms of placement of motif. What is clarity of design? When we are drawing properly each motif and then color each motif properly. So clarity सेल्फ डेवलप अपने आप से डेवलप आज हो जाएगी. क्लैरिटी ऑफ डिज़ाइन, उसका लुक एंड अपीयरेंस और एस्थेटिक अपीयरेंस. So clarity of design is required in developed sheet in terms of placement of motif. Required material: pencil, rubber, sharpener, scale, water and poster color, palette, brushes 0 to 7. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you understand this session. Thank you so much. If you are satisfied, you can write the comment in comment section satisfied and give your attendance. Thank you so much.